Hey guys, welcome back to our own channel for you. In this video, we're going to see how easy it is to install WhatsApp app on Mac. Let's start. Open Google Chrome or any other browser that you would like. Search for download WhatsApp. Enter. Go to the first site. Click on download for Mac OS X option here. Now the WhatsApp DMG file is being downloaded. So the file is of size 99 MB. Shouldn't take more than few seconds to get it downloaded, and it's done. Now click on this file. It's opening, verifying, checking volumes, finishing. Yeah, so now move this WhatsApp icon to your application folder. Just press and hold on the WhatsApp icon, then drag it to this application folder, then release it. Now the application is being copied to applications folder. Still copying. Done. Now just double click on this WhatsApp icon here, or you could have opened from here as well. Okay, now this is just a confirmation. It says that the application has been downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, we are sure. Click on open, and now yes, now on your phone you have to open WhatsApp, then tap this three dots for settings and select WhatsApp web, then point your phone to the screen to capture this code. So this QR code need to use on your WhatsApp that is installed on your phone, right? Just scan it. Once it's scanned, your contacts, your WhatsApp group, all will be synced. Once a sync has been completed successfully, you should be able to see all your WhatsApp group contacts, everything on this WhatsApp application, right? That's all for today. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video, and you all have a good day.